Alright, I'm going to go over how to set up your homepage. By default, your homepage will be your latest posts. So let's go ahead and go over how to create the homepage and set it up. So let's go ahead and go under your dashboard, pages, add new. We're going to call this page home. And then under page template, let's select homepage for page template. So again, we added a page, and under page attributes in the sidebar, template, we selected homepage. Let's go ahead and publish this. Then the last step we need to do is under settings and reading. Under front page displays, we'll select a static page. For front page, we'll select home, and then we'll click save changes. Now let's go ahead and open this in another tab, and you can see our homepage has now been created, and the slider can be added as well as any page content. So let's go ahead and go under pages, and under home, the home page we just created, and you can add content here, update it, and it will display. So you can add short codes, all sorts of things. Also, what you can do is under the live preview, there's two things I want to go over, and one is this latest vehicles, and two is these three boxes. Now these three boxes can be set up as short codes as well, but there's also a cool way we built in how to display that. So let's go over the latest vehicles first. That's under appearance and widgets. And under homepage content, so homepage content widget area, we're going to select this home progression home vehicle posts. And from there you can adjust the title, the number of posts, and the number of columns. So let's just leave it with 4 and 4. And you'll see we have 4 posts and 4 columns. And you can adjust that to 3 and 3. Or you can display even more. If you wanted like 2 rows, for example, you can do 3. Oops, I did that backwards. 6 posts in 3 columns. You can also have that as well. So that's how you want to display if you have more to display. Alright, so then we can see how 6 posts would look. Lots of options there. If you want, you can always remove that. Let's go ahead and leave that. Then the last thing I want to go over is these 3 boxes. And each box is 1 page, and they're called child pages, and that's the way we insert them. So it'll make more sense by showing you. Let's go ahead and add a new page, and let's call this About Us. And what I mean by child pages is under page attributes, we're going to select our home page as the parent. So now About Us is a child page of home. So when I publish that, you can refresh and see it pop up down here. And you can do a couple things. One, you can insert a link. So I'm going to link to google.com. Refresh, and now when I click on it, it goes to Google. Of course, you'll probably want to link to another page on your site. This is just for example's sake. And the last thing you can do is set a featured image. So upload an image, set it as a featured image down here, and then it will format like so. So it's pretty cool if you want to display an image. Let's go and add another one. Let's call that one the Browse Inventory. We're going to set a featured image. Refresh it, and then we have our second column as well. Oops, I forgot to set it as a child page of home. Now we're going to get there, and then let's go and add in the third page, which is Contact Us. Under page attributes parent, select home. We're going to set a featured image, and then let's go and add another link for this. We'll publish it, and now we have our 3 child columns. And under theme options, under customize, you can also adjust the column count here as well, or use shortcodes to build these if you want. We just wanted to make it, build in a nice easy way to set this area up.